Hello there, my name is Sunil Verma. In last video we saw that how can computer do computation. If you missed that video, its link is available in the description. In this video tutorial we will see how internet search engine works. So internet search engine works on data. What is data? Data is a collection of facts in the form of words, numbers or even images and videos. Data needs to be secure, stored and accessed quickly. Search engine always works on various algorithms and provide best service to users. So what is algorithm? In computer, we gives input data and data will process in binary codes, zeros and ones, and output will execute it. And this whole process is called algorithm. Algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solving mathematical problem. There are three types of algorithms. First, sorting algorithms, second, searching algorithms, and third, geometric algorithms. We will discuss algorithm types in the next video. In this video, which method works on internet search engine? So it's a machine learning method. In this video tutorial, we will see what is machine learning, types of machine learning, and machine learning algorithms. So what is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, and more frankly, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science. But in this video, we will discuss about machine learning and its algorithms. The term machine learning definition in 1959 by Arthur Samuel, who is an American computer scientist, and second term definition by Tom Mitchell in 1998. Arthur Samuel says, a machine learning is a field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Tom Mitchell says, a computer program is said to learn from experience E with respect to some task T and some performance P if its performance on T as measured by P improves with experience E. That's very tough definition, but don't worry. This image is easily to show Mitchell's definition from machine learning perspective. YouTube recommendation system, e-commerce market, in Gmail, spam mail, and sender receive mail, and so on works on machine learning. Types of machine learning. There are three types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. But in this video, we will discuss about only supervised and unsupervised learning and its algorithms. Supervised learning. Unsupervised learning is only understand teaching method and perform some tasks. That's not purely human intelligence, but some factor we understand this learning method so. It is very helpful. Just an example of supervised learning. Teacher teach students to learn how to earth around to sun, and few students are understand this learning method and few are not. Next day teacher takes surprise test. This surprise test some students are best performers to do and some are not. So how can it possible? Because teacher takes supervised teaching method and students takes supervised learning method. It is used label data. There are two types of algorithms works on supervised learning: regression and classification. Second type of machine learning, unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is used in collection of same and different data identifiers. It always used unlabeled data. In supervised learning, the functions attempts to segment the data set into classes. The type clustering algorithm works on unsupervised learning. What is machine learning algorithms? There are three types of machine learning algorithms. First is regression, second classification, and third clustering, who works on supervised and unsupervised learning method. Regression. The type regression is a continuously types of labeled data in numerical form. For example, we predict how many literacy rate in India 2010 and 2020 and how we define it. So in term regression algorithm is helpful for us. Classification. The type classification is a categorical label data. Suppose category 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. For example, we predict how many union territories in India. We classify Delhi and Chandigarh. as North India. Puducherry is classified as North South India, and in a hierarchical manner, these three union territories prepare a chart. So this whole process uses a classification algorithm. Third, clustering. The type clustering is defined on unlabeled data, segmentation wise data. Clustering always works on social media apps and so many websites. YouTube recommendation system is the best example of clustering. We daily surf internet on YouTube today. We are watching some educational related videos on YouTube. So tomorrow we will see on YouTube app educational related videos occur in recommendation system. So how can it possible? So in whole process the clustering algorithm works. It works to collect unlabeled data of different types of resources. So that's a short information about how internet search engine works on our devices. Thank you.